Hello everyone, good morning, happy Thursday. Hello to you all, good morning to you all. Happy Thursday everyone. We would like to out to all the viewers, subscribers. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please subscribe, like, and share. And it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog saying hello to you all. Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Please keep smiling, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. It's happy Thursday to you all. Thursday morning here in Maryland, USA. So I'm about to work soon. 11 o'clock in 5 minutes. So I'm just go quick vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Good morning. And make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Good morning to you all. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. And please visit me to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog of Maryland. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog saying hello to you all. Good morning, happy Thursday, and hello to you all. It's Thursday again, is May 30th, 2024. So hello to you all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe, please do. And don't forget to put the notification bell, hit all, and don't skip ad and watch all the videos until the end. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog saying hello to you all. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. God bless us all and see you again soon for the next vlog. Peace and God bless you all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat sa mantay na sulok ng mundo. God bless you all. See you again soon. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Always saying hello to you all and God bless. Jesus love us and love is in the air. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Saying hello to you all and may God shout out to all the viewers, shout out to all the viewers, silent viewers, subscribers, thank you to you all, and God bless you all. See you again soon. So long and God bless. Peace, God bless. See you again soon.